Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make your hair products moisturizing leave-in conditioner at home. So here is my flaxseed gel semi di lino in Italiano. So I have pot, I have water, so I'm going to add a little bit inside. So here I have my ginger, so I'm going to grate this ginger. You can blend your ginger if you want, so I'm using my grater to grate my ginger. Okay, so while my flaxseed is on the fire cooking, okay, for some minutes, so that we can get the gel. So thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. To my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I see all your love. Thank you so much. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my video. If you are watching from Facebook, please follow my page. Click on that like. If you like, it means you follow. Okay, in case you are looking for where the right follow you did not see, just click on the like. If you click on the like, it means you have followed my page. So after I grate it, so I put it inside my sauce cap. So I'm going to use my palm to press out the juice. So here is the juice. So let's set this aside. So I get my gel out of the flaxseed. So here I have my emulsifier wax. So I'm going to add 1.5 spoon. Here I have my olive oil with germ oil, sunflower oil, and shea butter, cocoa butter. I wanted to use coconut oil. I don't have, so I use the Blue Magic coconut oil. So I add cacao inside. Everything is inside. I have emulsifier wax, shea butter, cacao butter, and the rest oil. So now I'm going to heat up this gel. I've already added my ginger water inside the gel, so I heat it up. The both of them are in the same temperature. Make sure that they are warm. Don't use it while it's cold, so that the product can mix together. So I melt the oil and I heat up the gel again, so they are both warm. Then I add everything together. So the emulsifier was is going to help to combine the water and the grit and the water and the oil. So the emulsifier was is going to help to combine the both together. So I went off camera to use my hand mixer to mix it very well. So this is our final result. This is how it's looking like. So if you cannot understand it, watch the video again. So I will list all the ingredients that I use at the comment section or at the description box below. Just go and check it out. Okay, so now after that, I'm going to bring out my empty container. Then I will transfer the product inside. Some people will put it inside nylon and start pressing it. I don't have that time, so let me just use my spoon to scoop it out and put it inside my jar, just like so. So this product can last up to 3 to 1 month if you put it in the fridge. So I did not add any preservative. So if you have preservative, you can add. I have, but I don't want to use. So I'm making a little quantity of this for me and my daughter. It's not going to be up to 2 months before it will finish. So the remaining one, I pack it inside this one. Okay, I will show you how I'm going to use it. This product is super moisturizing, guys. You should give it a try. If you have flaxseed, you have ginger. Ginger is amazing product when it comes to our hair growth. Let me tell you the ingredient that I use again. I use ginger, flaxseed. I use cocoa butter. I use shea butter. I use olive oil, I use sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, emulsifying wax, flaxseed gel, ginger juice, and then wheat germ oil, coconut egg grease, the blue magic one. If you have pure coconut oil, you can use that, it's fine. So it's time for me to apply the product to my hair. As you can see, I washed my hair about 3 days ago, I think so. So it's time for me to apply the product to my hair. So let me tell you guys the little benefit of using ginger for your hair. Ginger helps to get rid of dandruff. It also helps to promote hair growth, hair fall. Ginger condition your hair, prevent premature graying. It strengthens your hair, it cure irritation. Ginger also cleans your hair. Ginger reduce your scalp inflammation. Ginger increase scalp circulation, natural conditioner, and also help to stimulate your hair growth. Okay, so you see the reason why you should use ginger for your hair. So flaxseed gel helps to promote hair growth. It fights dandruff. It also reduces hair breakage. It prevents hair loss. It strengthens your hair. So it's amazing, right? It's very good for our hair. Flaxseed is so nice. I really like it. Okay, I use flaxseed all the time. You can even make oil from flaxseed. You can even make deep conditioner from flaxseed. So it's amazing. It also prevents split end. It heals scalp acne, scalp nourishing. So it also helps to provide hair elasticity. It moisturizes dry hair. It prevents graying of hair. Omega-3 and vitamin E you can find in flaxseed. Okay, yeah, it's amazing. So I'm just going to put my hair in a protective style. I'm using just this my DIY product. It's amazing. You guys should go and give it a try. If you have emulsifying wax, in case you don't know where to get your emulsifying wax, you can get it from Amazon. I don't buy my own since so you can find it on Amazon. Emulsifying wax is there. The other ingredients as well. Shea butter, you can get it in the store. The olive oil, you can get in the store. Sunflower as well, you can get it in the store. Okay, the only product you need to buy is emulsifying wax, so that it can help you to combine the water and the oil together to create your cream. Okay, so I want to really appreciate my new subscriber that just subscribed to my last video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate. Please guys, help me to share this video to your friends and family. This product is super amazing. If you have breaking, if you want to prevent your hair from losing, if you want to grow your hair, like the ingredients that I use, they are super amazing. They can cure all your hair problem. If you have acne, on your scalp, you have dandruff on your scalp, your hair is not growing the way you want it, your hair is breaking, this product is all in one pack. All in one pack. Just go and make yours. Okay, you will like it. So I'm just going to go make one more, then I'll go off camera to make the rest of this of my hair, because I don't want this video to be too long. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow my page. People from Facebook, everything I do. You guys should follow my page, please. I'm begging. Let's grow this community. Follow my page, share this video to your friends and loved ones To everyone that want to grow their hair, maybe they want to start making their own hair products. So when you make your own hair products, you know the ingredients that you are using. That is the benefit of making your own product. So you know every single ingredients that you are using and their benefit. Okay, so now just go off camera, make the rest of my hair, then I will be back. So I'm back, as you can see. So I'm just going to massage the product to my scalp because my scalp also needs some of them. Okay, like you know, it's good for your scalp as well as also for your hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.